Okay, here's one of my brother's creations.
Hi!
Well, that's not... Yeah, here's one of my brother's wrestling creations. This guy's name is Gaylord. Okay, rotate him around, Connor.
Yeah, and I'm zooming it. Hold on, I'm trying to remember how to do it. Okay. And now...
Yeah. Stupid. Zoom in on him. Can you do that?
I'll see. Oh, yeah. There we are.
No, look at his face, you idiot.
He's got a green goatee.
What's that white stuff on his face?
I think it's makeup.
Oh my god. Yeah, well that's one of them anyway. Okay, this is going to be another one, my brother's creations. It's a diva, apparently, and her name is the Twig.
You say what?
What the hell? I haven't even seen this one before. What the? What is that on her face?
A fox now.
What the? Wait, look at the depth of her again, like on the side. Oh my god.
Well, she is a twig. And look at the size of her bum cheeks.
You're an idiot, Connor.
She is the weirdest person I've ever seen, literally.
Yeah, that's why she's related to you. This guy's name is Fool. Well, my brother says he's the last of everything. So.
Last thing that you can get on everything.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
Just a little bit.
I think it's a hat. I think it's a hat, isn't it?
That's called, don't know.
Hey, you like it?
Yep, awesome. This is boring. Okay, I think this guy's name is the Princess. I reckon this is probably the funniest one. In a match, it looks so funny. It's got an L on his head. Yeah.
Oh, it's got nipple tail thing. Yeah, oh yeah, so
Very funny.
sexy. Who wants to marry me, ladies?
Yeah, that wasn't necessary, but anyway. No, turn him, put him on the side. Yeah, freaking hell, look at his belly.
Now look at his nipples. Open him with his man boobs. Why?
Okay, this is Mrs. Thing. It's a girl. Yeah, zoom out and just show her, well, its whole body. Yeah, turn her around. Oh. Zoom in on her face.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, totally.
I feel sorry for you YouTube fans. If this is going on YouTube. I think it is.
And this guy's name is Rare Fat Ass Gorilla.
Well, his name is Rare Gorilla, but his nickname is Fat Ass, and it goes in the middle.
Yeah, whatever. See that white stuff on his back and his front? That's actually body hair. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, he's got a G-string.
That's not a G-string, you doodlehead.
Oh, well, it looks that one. Yeah, he's got a pretty big belly.
He knows
You know
crapping.
what his shoulders remind me of?
What?
On this angle?
What?
White chocolate bits. I don't know why.
This is definitely going on your YouTube page.